amount of trust you gave me, the budget you gave me,
And the
options you gave me. It was very nice, and it was definitely better than the rest of the other people.
The good things take time.
Correct.
The good things take effort.
Hello everyone. Today we are sitting with the mind and the thought behind this grandeur, luxurious home, Mr. Dr. Amit More and his wife, Dr. Ashwini More. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. So after a long day of shoot, I think also a long process of the whole home interiors, we are finally here sitting together just to chit chat about our experiences. How do you feel about it?
It's actually a great experience with DC
Mm-hmm.
because initially the concept was to bring traditional ingredients into the home.
Correct.
So that was our basic concept behind it.
Correct.
And लहानपणी जसं आपण वाडामध्ये वाड्यामध्ये जायचो आणि मग ते तिथले ज्या मेमरीज आपल्या आहेत
लहानपणीच्या मेमरीज. करेक्ट.
त्या इम्बाईब होणं and you bring it into a home. That was the concept, and DC helped us to do that.
Correct. Actually, हा brief तुमच्याच कडनं आला होता. This was the first brief by the client. So I think this is a very rare idea, sir. कारण आता now where we are stepping into a minimalism world, you know, where everything is very modern, very minimal. I think त्यामध्ये हे जे intricate designs that you have brought into a thought, because we want to just सर्व्हिस यू विथ वॉट यू वॉन्ट आणि असे तुमच्यासारखं सांगणारे क्लायंट्स वी हॅव व्हेरी रेअर. सो आय थिंक इट वॉज अ ग्रेट आयडिया की तुम्हाला हे तुमचं चाइल्डहुड यू वॉन्टेड टू ब्रिंग इट बॅक ऑन टू द टेबल. हाऊ डू यू फील द वॉर्मथ ऑफ द हाऊस, मॅम?
We especially enjoy each and every corner of the home. I can say that during every time of the day, I have separate spot which is my special or favorite ones. You can say that morning if I want to do some exercise, this is the area where I like to do. Later if I want to have a coffee or tea, the gallery must be the area where I would like to have it.
Okay.
And the thing is, आपण राहतोय पुणे, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की सांस्कृतिक कॅपिटल आहे महाराष्ट्राचं.
करेक्ट.
आणि आपण जसे वागतो, बोलतो, कपडे घालतो, विचार करतो, तशा पद्धतीचं घर असावं अशी एक कल्पना होती. आणि वी आर रिअली व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट आवर विजन केम इन टू रियालिटी.
Amazing. Which is your favorite corner of the house, sir? This one.
Yeah. It was actually a 4 BHK, as we already know.
Correct.
But we demolished the wall.
Correct.
Because I wanted a big hall.
Correct.
Because we have a big family.
Right.
3 brothers are there. Then her family.
Yeah.
So my parents, her
A
parents.
big huge family,
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
most Indian
whenever,
families.
Yeah. So
Right.
whenever we have a festival, we come together.
Correct.
So this Diwali we celebrated. We celebrated Diwali here.
We are so happy you could celebrate the Diwali at
Yeah,
least.
yeah.
We have started working on this project since long, I think.
December.
Since last
Yeah,
December.
December
We are already here
2025.
and correct.
Yeah, because it there is so much delay from my side because there was so much thoughts behind it, how to incorporate all those thoughts, and so while designing, you were designing all the things, and I was adding new things to it.
I would not say it is a delay, sir. It was a thoughtful idea that you have put up every day. I know there were changes, but we have enjoyed every bit.
Every time whenever I have shared with somebody that this is the idea where we want to put such type of the gate,
Correct.
or this is the idea that we want such type of zoka, or this is the idea for where we want to have a tree of life which will also depict the Bodhi Vriksha. They
Correct.
were always saying that the good things take time,
Correct.
the good things take effort. So that I kept in my mind, and keeping it with my mind, it made me थोडासा patient. जे होईल ते छान
होईल. आय थिंक आय रिमेंबर आपण इन्स्टॉलेशनच्या वेळेला भेटलेलो and I was myself surprised because they were already living in the house and we had this installation happening, and I asked the madam ने मी विचारलं होतं की how are you even surviving in this whole mess, and there are so many things, even it was not just the DC installation, there were so many intricate elements and so many decor elements that we wanted to add, and I think they were taking time because आणि तुम्ही जसं म्हणालात, सो आय वॉज माय सेल्फ सरप्राइज हाऊ आर यू सर्वाइविंग दिस प्लेस, बट आय थिंक हॅट्स ऑफ टू युअर पेशन्स अँड ऑल युअर आयडियाज.
The whole credit goes to our kid.
Correct.
Because he was having his school. Okay,
Correct.
we were living somewhere else. And
Correct.
we had to shift here, but we were thinking whether he'll cope up with that
Absorb or
not.
cope up
Yeah,
with
yeah.
all these changes.
Because the home is changing, his friends were changing,
Correct.
and then there's so much mess here.
Oh.
So whether he'll do it or not,
But
he
he is
did
a
it.
very patient and sweet
Yeah.
child because
Yeah.
they have a 5-year-old kid, and I
Yeah.
think he has been patient throughout the shoot also. Not just the
enjoying
process.
every process.
Every process. I
He was
think.
not believing even the day we completed, just few hours before the
Yeah.
housewarming ceremony. He was not believing that tomorrow nobody is going to come, no painter,
No painter, no.
no
Are we done?
Are we done? Are we done?
Are we done? really?
Are we done really? Even today, when they saw all the team working for the home shoots, no, he came and he asked us, "Ki, are you guys working again? And are you guys working perfectly?" So I think he was very patient with all the processes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
With the very detailed selection, one of our colleagues suggested us that you are having a good taste, that is true,
Hmm.
but it will put very good impact of Indian art or
Correct.
architecture in our kid also. So we thought that it is
Yeah,
a good idea.
Amazing idea. Also, now that we are from the DC team, I want to understand how did the modern DC units fit right with your traditional ideas?
It's bang on. I say bang on. Because initially the concept of the Marvat is there. Okay, so we have to inculcate the whole wooden frame.
Wooden structure.
Yeah, the
Yes.
wooden pillars were there. And along with that, I remember I talked with you regarding the wooden structure which is there on the ceiling.
On the ceiling.
And we have to continue the same with the TV unit.
Correct. The TV.
Yeah.
Yeah. The back panel also, I think there was a specification of the stone finish laminate.
Yeah.
We had used a
So-
shimmer stone
Yeah,
laminate,
yeah. So
which replicates
as-
one of your idea.
Yeah. Because as we have already talked regarding it, we wanted a traditional home. So
Correct.
traditional home is wood,
Stone,
glass,
brass.
stones,
Correct.
jute, rattan. So
Correct.
everything, bamboo,
Correct.
and multiple things like multiple paintings are there. Then everything is there. So
Correct.
regarding the stone, so
Hmm.
we have multiple parts of the stones.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
For that, I chose this shimmering stone.
Shimmering stone
Yeah,
laminate
yeah.
for the TV back
Yeah,
panel.
yeah.
One more
Correct.
thing I would like to add is even if we are going with the traditional theme, we are still have a constraint of space. Even if you are having
Correct.
4 BHK or 3 BHK and you want to inculcate the idea of Indian traditional interior, you still need to save some space so that you are using the space intellectually.
Correct.
So that can be only delivered with the professional piece.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
that was
Yeah,
better
yeah.
served
The
with-
space saving units have helped you with.
Yeah, definitely.
and definitely they were having more options than the rest of the
Because initially I visited
multiple.
other people. The amount of trust you
Yeah.
gave me, the budget you gave me,
and options
the options you gave me, it was very nice, and it was definitely better than the rest of the other people. So definitely then
We are happy about it.
yeah. Because while choosing any of the thing, I took multiple. I did research a lot. Okay. Well, you take anything. You take curtains, you take fans, you take
I remember.
interior.
I remember.
So,
At one time I stopped giving suggestions because we were at different choice places and
Tangents.
tangents, and I thought that might be two chefs also might ruin the taste of the dish. So
Even when I was trying to suggest something, after a certain point, I started absorbing what he wants to share, because there was some other vision that he had, maybe beyond what I was thinking, because he was connecting everything to his childhood and things that he has seen for so many years. And of course,
and you delivered it perfectly.
perfectly, yeah.
thank you so much.
We are having that type of choice also.
Mhm.
But might be if we would have not gone with the Indian type of the interior, we might have about 1 or 2 stuff which is of our choice. Now having a home where everything, every corner, every piece of purchase or every choice you have made is fitting with your choice, and everything
Corresponds
fits
each
into
other.
corresponds
Corresponds
each
each
other,
other.
complements each other. That is a thing to watch or to enjoy.
I am very glad about it. Do you want to mention the DC members
Yeah, definitely.
whom you have worked with?
That's what I was going to tell you, that
Yeah.
many people helped me a lot. I'll definitely tell you regarding Tejashree.
Uh-huh.
So she was the salesperson at that time.
Correct.
told us everything regarding the basic concepts and all. So she's a very cute person.
She always work with transparency.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
okay.
she is the first person to give you commitments,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
think
yeah,
the
definitely.
transparency she
And-
maintains in
yeah,
terms
yeah,
of number of units considered, number of costings considered. I think that is the first step
Yes,
when you
yes,
step
yes,
into the
Definitely, that
store.
is very important. The word you use is transparent. Yes, she's very transparent.
Correct.
Transparent regarding it, and she's very
Mm.
professional. Yes, professional regarding what she does and everything.
Correct, correct.
So she showed me the slide. She gave me 1 or 2 days time,
Mhm.
and then she prepared the slide, and then she told me the quotation and everything. Then she told me what are the things she's going to add.
Correct.
Everything.
Correct.
She's
During
a
the
beautiful
probation,
person.
it was impossible for us to have a separate time being taken as a sabbatical. And
Being
then working
doctors,
at
both
the-
of you.
Yeah, yeah.
And then
definitely.
working at the home, it has to be go on hand by hand.
Correct.
You're working and your home is being prepared.
Correct.
That was very beautifully handled.
Yeah. Second person I would like to definitely appreciate is you.
Sag and the Fatafat doing wala thing. I really appreciate that. And we made first time when we started with the kickstart
Kick-off,
of the
kick-off.
kick-off of the
Correct,
project.
correct.
And it was our anniversary. I remember.
Oh, is
Yes,
it?
yes,
I
yes.
don't remember.
We spent almost whole of the
Whole of the
morning,
day,
and we
ah.
were at the time of lunch break, I guess.
Correct.
And we were still at the chalo patafat kar like Rakesh ji and Shiva bhaiya tum were our extended family only.
Yeah.
Correct, correct.
So there were multiple things because we were talking regarding everything. We were talking regarding how to save the space and
Correct.
how to correlate everything with each other. And,
Correct. I also
So-
remember while he used to be in the OPD and I used to have some
Yeah,
doubts in
yeah,
the
yeah.
designing, I would call him, some other assistant would receive the call and सर तो अभी OPD में मैंने बोला मेरा ना थोड़ा डायमेंशन I want a little input but वो हमेशा चलता था
Yeah,
OPD
yeah,
and
definitely.
dimensions.
And
People
that-
also showed a lot of patience.
yeah.
You're saying something, sir?
No, actually, this is one of the reasons that there was a slight delay.
Delay.
Yeah, from my side.
But your job is a very respectable job. So अगर आप OPD में हो तो डिजाइन रुक जाएगा.
Yeah.
अब क्या करें?
And there are actually multiple patients sitting outside.
Yeah,
So I
Correct. No, of course.
Yeah,
But I had a wonderful experience and I hope
Yeah.
you had the same.
Yeah,
definitely.
definitely. We are recommending DC.
Yeah.
Places.
I would definitely like to add 2 more names. One
Sure.
is Rakesh. You already mentioned it.
Correct.
Rakesh is the PMO, the project manager, and he also did a fantastic job. He always received my call. He tried to figure out what I want to, because he didn't know what was
What is the
design. and
correct,
everything.
correct.
He
What are
didn't
the
know at the initial step,
Correct.
but then he got to know that yes.
Huh. What are you exactly asking for?
Working
Yeah.
with me is going to be difficult.
I can tell you the exact words. He used to tell him that this is the problem, sir, and he used to ask him that, tell me the solution.
Correct.
This type of conversation.
Yeah.
Correct. Also the Shiva, the person who
Shiva.
has helped you with
he
the
was
installations.
Carpenter, yes.
Correct,
He
correct.
did,
Even my mother-in-law is very fond of him.
He was fond of Shiva.
Yeah. He now only he calls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is so good to be knowing that you are in touch with all the
Yes,
carpenters, the project
And
manager,
it-
the designer, the salesperson. You
And
know,
it's been 4 months.
it's been correct.
And still we are in contact.
Still
with
you are
them.
in contact. It's
Then-
been 4 months after installation,
Yeah.
and having a bond with the team members and with the client for so long, not just the the design process. I think somewhere DC team is winning here.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much for
Thank you.
spending this wonderful time with us, and thank you for giving us an opportunity of such a lavish and beautiful home.
I would
Thank you so
definitely
much.
thanks a lot, but I would definitely recommend DC to everyone because they generally, they have delivered a beautiful project here, and definitely I would like to recommend DC.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
Yeah.
Design Cafe it is.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.